My records are there. In fact, I left NDDC mainly because of corruption. I resigned my appointment, and the president then initially was very angry, Jonathan, when he saw what I wrote in the letter. And within, he said, yes, okay, that's all right, but give me replacement. I said, Mr. President, that place is stinking. How can I nominate? Say I nominate somebody. Then I gave him the chairman of my party. And he went there, Faruqia. And within few months, all what I told him, saw it. And it went to the extent that he had to dissolve NDDC at that particular time. I said I was not ready to soil my fingers with what was happening in NDDC. And that is why every president, every governor in this country must keep his eyes on what is happening under him. Because the biggest problem we have, even now, in fact, even worse, is the way and manner we are having wastages by way of fraud, stealing, all sorts of things that are happening now. A lot of money has been borrowed. Recently, based on the records that I have, we had about 22 trillion debt. By end of the year, it's going to be 24 trillion debt. So all these things we keep on, and this money now, as we stand, 65% of our earnings